Y'all, the time has finally come. I have procrastinated and put it off as long as I could, but I'm going on my first cruise ever in 12 days, and I'm just now starting to pack. So, Lord have mercy. That's why all of this stuff is all over my bed, because I'm trying to figure out what all I possibly need to take. It's a 4-day cruise. I'm leaving out of Galveston, so I'm going to be on the Carnival Breeze. As much as I travel, I should be a pro at packing a suitcase, but I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed. So, okay, it leaves on Thursday. It's a Halloween cruise. So it leaves on Thursday on the 30th, and we come back Monday. Okay, this bag right here, this is my Halloween costume. I don't want to say what it is, just in case I change my mind. Oh, wait, I'm missing something. I'm missing the wig. The wig is the integral part. I just got my wig in the other day of the costume. So let me go ahead and make sure I put this in there. And then I'm trying to like use these bags and stuff to put stuff in, so I can have room. Now, I said I was not going to be getting in any type of swimming pools, hot tubs. I don't like being in like pools and stuff like everybody else in there. Just in case I change my mind, I guess I'll take me a couple of bathing suits. This is a bathing suit I had for some years. I guess I can still fit it. But as my backup option, I got these pink swimming shorts. And I got this other bathing suit. I bought this a couple of years ago when I went to Jamaica. It's like a little 2-piece set or whatever. So I guess just in case I change my mind, as I have been known to do, I'll go ahead and take it. Oh, and then this is a little see-through swim cover-up thing that I can put on. So, okay, I got all my little swimming stuff. I need to put that in a bag. Let me see. I've been using these Shein bags to put stuff in. I try to pack as light as possible. When I travel, I like to pack light. Trying to press this bag in to press all the air in. There we go. So somebody said on the Carnival Cruise they have like a 80s night. I still don't know what that outfit is. They said they have a white night. Now I got this white top that I bought to wear to Essence Fest a couple of months ago, but I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it. So we're just gonna set that aside. So I gotta get a white night outfit and an 80s outfit. These denim shorts right here. My sound just did not want to let me be great while I was recording, but I was saying that I have this orange top that I can pair with these camouflage like biking shorts. And I did read somewhere that you can wear camouflage on the ship, but on the days that you dock and you get off, like when we go to Cozumel, I cannot wear camouflage because that's considered military, but I can wear it around the ship. But it's another like a set. This is the shirt. I gotta find the shorts, but I'll take this because listen, I'm a comfortable girl. Comfort over everything for me. As long as I got on something airy, flowy, because I'm going through perimenopause, and if you know, I'm always sweating, so I have to have on clothes that's going to make me feel comfortable. This is another little set that I got from Shein too. It's another short set. It's got shorts and a top. I feel like I'm still, oh Lord, how many days? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I don't see how y'all be packing like outfits to change multiple times a day, because I'm trying to get enough outfits just for each one of the days, and I'm already like over it. I be seeing some people be like, they take outfits in case they want to change 2 or 3 times a day. Who got all the patience and that time for that? Not me. But do what you do. This, when I find the shorts, is another outfit. This and my camouflage is another outfit. My denim shorts, and yes, they're elastic waist. Big girl friendly. I forgot where I got these from. Now I have another. Oh wait, I do got another pair. Hold on. Yeah, here they go. I got another pair of denim shorts. I got these from Fashion Nova. I bought these a couple of years ago to go on my trip to Jamaica too. And no wonder why they always fit me so big. I bought these like 2 sizes bigger than what I was at the time when I bought them, and I done slimmed down a little bit, so that's how come they fit me. But anyway, we gonna take my little Fashion Nova denim shorts because these are Old Faithful right here. You can't ever go wrong. So that's 2 pairs of denim shorts. These are the elastic waist ones. Probably on the days when I eat that guy's burger and the fries and the pizza and all that, I'm gonna eat these. And then I got these. So we'll figure it out. Okay. All right, it's coming together. All right. Oh. So this, I need me another bag. I've been buying like, let me go ahead and put this over there. I've been buying like snacks, toiletries. I got this from the Dollar Tree, or the $1.75 tree, I guess. But this is a charger that has a USB port. It has a USB-C, which is my phone. Then it has a USB-A port. It has dual charger ports. I think this will be good to have. And then you just plug it into the wall, and then you got all these different. So I think with it just being me and a solo cruise, I think this should be more than enough. I bought me some Clorox wipes, a little first aid kit. See, I've been paying attention. I've been watching all y'all cruise ship essentials. This is some hand sanitizer. Another pack of Clorox wipes. These are some flushable wipes, you know, for the bathroom. I also made sure I picked up some sunscreen. And yes, my melanated people, we do need sunscreen. I didn't think so either until I went to Mexico a few years ago and my skin was so burnt and crispy looking when I came back. I will not get caught slipping again. So yes, definitely get some sunscreen. I also made sure I got some motion sickness pills. Now, usually I don't typically get motion sickness, but you never know, and I don't want to be unprepared. I bought these Skittles drink mix packages. I don't drink a lot of soda. If I do, it's diet. I'm mostly drinking water. So I bought these little drink mix packages to put in my water bottles. I have some Lysol spray. What else? Oh, I bought a little nail clipper set because I promise you, it don't matter where I'm at. It seems like I always break a nail, or it somehow like gets broken, like jagged wise or whatever, or a hang nail. So I got this. Some toothpaste, baby powder for my busty chicks. You know, we have to lift these things up, but we have to sprinkle powder up underneath. I honestly forgot I even bought the powder because I made myself like a list and I checked it off as I bought it, and I think I forgot to check off that I bought powder. This is some deodorant spray, a little bit of lotion, odor neutralizing spray. Y'all said it's good to have this for the bathroom. Some body spray. Champagne rose, because you know Bath and Body Works have dupes. Family Dollar has some too, and let me tell you, they smell good, especially this champagne rose. I really love it. It's one of my favorite ones. It's got such a light, airy scent to it, and it tells you on the back what it's the dupe of. Let's see here. Oh, this is the dupe of Champagne Toast from Bath and Body Works, and let me tell you, as a champagne toast girl, I'm kind of, partial to that. I would not tell you that this is such a good dupe of that if it was not. It is. This is about my 4th or 5th bottle. I love this. So if you like champagne toast, these are like $3 at Family Dollar Store. I got some wet ones, some wipes for my hands. So I know we're going on a cruise and all the food and stuff is free, but y'all did say that it's kind of good to take your own little snacks. So So I love these little waffle cones from Aldi. I love my Slim Jims. I go through a lot of these. These have become my new favorite snacks. I gotta go get some more of these, by the way. But these are the Tahini peach rings. I found them at the Dollar Tree, but they also got mango ones and pineapple. I gotta go get at least about 3-4 more bags of these because I can eat a full bag of these in one sitting. It's not that many in there, but they're good. Another box of Slim Jims. Oh, I bought these pretzels from Aldi too, the birthday cake ones. Yeah. So I got me a few little snack items. But you never know, you might just get a little hungry through the night. So I got me some snacks. I'm gonna take my little fleece blanket. I got this one several years ago for my birthday. It's a Twilight blanket of Jacob from Twilight. So I'm gonna take me a little blanket just in case. I might want to go sit out on the deck or something and watch a movie. So I have my little blanket with me. I also got some Tums because I don't know what it is. I guess it's getting older. I don't know, but it seems like acid reflux be tearing me up at nighttime. So I have to keep these. I'm making some progress. My suitcase that I kind of have. That's not all the stuff that is going to be put in there, but we're getting there. I still got so much stuff to put in there, but we gonna make it fit though, some kind of way. The little snacks I got, but I feel like I'm gonna need a lot more because I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I still gotta get my my sodas that I'm gonna take with me. I'm gonna take me a little 6-pack of because I do drink like Coke Zeros or Dr. Pepper. I do drink that. So I still got to get some sodas. I haven't decided if I'm going to take a bottle of wine. I know you can take at least 1 bottle of wine, but I take 2 blood pressure medications, so I really can't drink much these days, which is why I didn't bother getting the drink package. Because why? But I don't know. I feel like 1 glass of wine probably wouldn't do too bad. But I don't know. I'm still debating on if I want to buy a bottle of wine or not. These are my toiletries and all my little personal. I got these 3 bags. I feel like I still haven't put shoes on. So I got these slides I'm gonna take with me. These are some Steve Madden slides. I bought these. I bought all this stuff on the last really kind of big trip that I took, which was to Jamaica some years ago. And I rarely ever wear these. Like they look practically almost brand new. But so yeah, I'm gonna wear these just to like wear around. Then I got me a pair of sneakers just for like whenever I just want to get off the ship. Like the shoes in this bag really go with the Halloween costume that I'm gonna wear, but they are versatile, so I can probably end up wearing them down to like dinner with some jeans, or I could probably also wear them with the dress that I'm thinking that I might wear for elegant night. But I'm also gonna bring some flats just to be on the safe side. So I basically got like 4 pairs of shoes that I gotta try to fit. I'm still gonna have this. This is like my duffel bag. It says all I need is my passport, lipstick, and sneakers. So this is my little travel bag that I usually take like on with me, personal item, and I can just like put it over my. So I do still have this that I will be able to put stuff in as well and take it with me. So if all else fails, but see, this is the one I'm gonna be carrying with me, so I don't want this to be that heavy because I don't like carrying heavy stuff. But yeah, I have made a lot of progress. Now I can just like slowly add in things as I need it or if I remember. But I think I have made a lot of progress, and now I am just impatiently waiting and counting down the days because I am beyond need of a vacation.